let us discuss about this topic. How do we overcome art block? What Neo mentioned, challenges. So you can find challenges like redraw, what else? Like draw this in your style, etc. I'm a noob artist, but I like to go back to inspirations that I love, like favorite shows and games. Working off those references can help you verge off into your own thing. Yeah, that's right, Silver. Hey, Daniel. Inspirations. What you love? Yeah, inspirations is a very, very important thing, I would say. I'm pretty sure most artists have their own favorite artist or favorite style, that favorite person you look up to whenever you draw. So yeah, look around and look for inspirations, references that might help boost your motivation. And yeah, even like shows, TV shows, animes, video games. I see. Yep. Comfort zone. So like whenever you are in an art block, you might be not sure of what you want to draw, or you might not be able to put your pen down to draw anything. So going back to your comfort zone might be a good thing. Just draw what you are familiar with. Draw the things that you are always drawing, and hopefully that will help kick you back into the drawing routine or something, boosting your own morale again. Draw something new that you've never drawn before. So this can be an interesting thing as well. Explore something new. Like for example, I am not familiar with drawing, let's say, a car. So I'll look for different kinds of cars that I might like, and then I will try to study them and try to copy them and draw them. So rather than drawing something, learn something new so it feels fresh for you, so you won't feel demotivated, I guess. Like in my case, I like to learn a lot of new stuff. Like for example, I learn programming, I learn making music, I learn about how to play jazz, for example. When you have an art block, I recommend not doing art. Go and do something else and give your brain a break. Yes. Rest. Rest is also very important. Especially for us artists. So we might be burned out. We might lose motivation after drawing a long time. So a good rest is also very important. good rest can be not doing anything, or just play games, listen to music, watch a movie, do some sports, reset your mind. I think that's important. I think don't be afraid to waste time either. Such arbitrary deadlines and pressure will stifle creativity more. Yeah, that's right. And it won't be wasted time if you come back refreshed and work more effectively, right? Yes, that is very true. There's one more thing that I always try to do it myself, is to find your weaknesses and then study to improve. Like for example, I'm drawing this piece right now, and I thought, okay, I'm struggling with the swords quite a bit, so that's my weakness. So what I can do is I'll try to find time to do studies. Like for one day or a few days, I'll just take my time, look at photos and references of different kind of swords. I can show you what I did last time. Like, this is my cat studies. So I'm not that good in drawing realistic cats, so I try to study by looking at various photos, cat images, and try to redraw them. Yeah, draw and study at the same time. Everyone has their own pace. Just take it easy. Go with your own pace. And there's one learning cycle that I try to use. Like, you start to draw. Just start drawing. And then after drawing, you evaluate yourself. See what's your weakness, what do you need to improve. Then you do the studies, try and improve yourself. After you think that, okay, I am confident enough to draw this one topic, then you go back to drawing, and then it's a whole cycle again. So you draw and then you evaluate what you're lacking, you go and study, then you start drawing again. Would you say it's best to spend more time on one topic or spend the same amount of time on multiple topics and getting a general understanding of everything? If you have a foundation of drawing already, if you have a general knowledge on drawing, then I would say go for one topic at a time so you can be more focused. After you draw, like you might find multiple weaknesses. Weaknesses 1, weakness 2, weaknesses 3. And study, I would pick just one topic. So I'll try to get rid of my first weakness. When that's down, I go draw again. So hopefully that first weakness is gone. And if that second and third weakness still exists, I'll then study the weakness number 2. And just do it over and over again.